Hey everybody, this is ML Toys with our new Power Wheels Porsche GT3 wheel kit. We had a previous one that was very expensive and laborious to install. This one is plug and play easy and going to be much less expensive. The new wheels that we have, the stock wheels of course are discontinued for it. These are our new wheels that we've designed and are usable on other cars. They're going to come with hubcaps and center caps with them. The front wheel has a wheel adapter that it'll come with, that you just, again, slide it on the axle, slide the wheel on, the hubcap, the center cap, you're done. The front wheel nut you put on backwards, but other than that, that's all the same. Same thing in the rear end. Just pull off all the old stuff and put on the new ones. You'll even use your stock driver hub and then just put the new setup onto there. We're going to provide reusable wheel locking collars for the rear wheels. This gives you the ability to change tires or work on your gearboxes without destroying those annoying cap nuts that you never have one when you need a new one. The new wheels, here's a new wheel and an old wheel together. They are the same diameter and same width. Your stock hubcaps will not work with these. You do have to use the new ones that we're sending, but we think that it looks pretty radical. Another innovation from ML Toys.